we've had lots of rain overnight. It's just non-stop, and you can see all the water pooling on the road. So we're going to go back to the house over here now. As you can see, the driveway is still wet there. This is the wall that's got the crack in it, and if you come down to the side of the wall here, believe it or not, it's still dry. Look at this, dry dirt. It's just dry. Nothing's come near this wall. It hasn't even flooded. Water's never pooled along here. So yeah, so I don't believe any water pooling is the problem that's causing that crack. And it's the same all around the house. There's no water pooling anywhere to cause that issue. So as you can see, the ground is very soaked all round. You can see the water line on the fence there, and the water on the road. And then going back to his wall, it's bone dry.